We have already created a project for the scope for flow simulation. So now we are going to run the simulation by right-clicking this scope. Okay, then we run. All right, new calculation. Click run. So now it's doing the geometry preparation. Okay. Okay, it takes a while because he will be testing the entire car. Okay. A few more minutes. Mass refining, mass capturing. Now loading the file for calculation. So that the pressure is developing. Okay. Right, wait some more time. So sometimes this one takes several minutes to do the calculation. So just wait. Still calculating. Okay, so done the calculation. So after the calculation, we expand the result, and then we can insert flow trajectory. Okay, and then we can select the bonnet area, right? And then the windshield, and then the roof. Okay. All right, and then the inside the scope. Okay, right. So once done, so we have to change the dimension of the sphere. I want the sphere to be here, so 0.5. So instead of 5, I will be changing it to sphere. Okay, instead of 20, I want to have 50. Right, and check. So here on the scope, we want to know only if how fast is the air that goes inside the car used for ventilation of the driver. All right. So this is the flow of the air. We can play. See the direction is correct. So it's correct. The negative, now the speed of the air we tested is 200 kph. Now if we want to know what's really happening inside, we can make section view. So this is the section view of the car. Okay, you want to see the entire scoop, right? So the air is really flowing, going inside, as you can see here. Okay, so the pressure is around here, right? Now if you want to find the pressure, we can use insert surface parameters. Right click, insert, we select pressure, and then we select the inside part of the scoop. Okay, and then we show. So this is the pressure that goes inside the car. We got a minimum pressure of 107.74, and then you got your maximum pressure of 101 Pascal. So that is the pressure generated on the scope going inside. So if we want also to check velocity, okay, we can check velocity, right, and then show. We show. So this one there is no velocity, okay, but here we can see it here. If you really want to see the velocity, we can change the pressure into velocity. Okay, we check first, check. All right, pressure, we change velocity, check. So now the color velocity, it means the red is the fastest. Okay, you got 270 kilometer per hour, right? So you notice here, it's the fastest speed. Okay, and then inside you can see it's a green and yellow green, so therefore it's around this area 162 and 135 kilometer per hour. Okay, that's it on the flow simulation of our scope.